I'm so grateful that you found each other and that you guys have the happiness you do. I love you both, and I think you're both really amazing, and I hope you have the best marriage ever.
I saw that damn thing. I saw that damn thing in the Hey, this is taking up all of our time. That's our son. Congratulations. Jamie and Craig. How far are we going back? Turner.
It's the best feeling to know that they had that and share that today with everybody. That's something special. I'm glad that for you guys and everybody. Love you, man.
Hold on, get one more.
Yeah. Nothing but the best, and I can't wait to see what the rest of this is going to happen. Cheers, you guys. Love you.
Stars are gonna light up a midnight sky. The sun's gonna burn on the 4th of July.
The power of love is a curious thing. Make one weep, make one man sing. Change a hawk to the little white dove. More than a feeling, that's the power of love. They found a love that is everlasting when they're around each other and are truly themselves, and they complement each other in every way.
For those of my friends and family that have grown up strict Catholic, you will only stand up when Jamie walks and when you leave. Okay? So you're skipping leg day today if you're Catholic.
So good that it almost hurts. Steady and true as a Bible verse. My heart skips just thinking of you. Go on and let it all, baby, we can't lose.
This is two people coming together for a lifetime of awesomeness. Now, before we get to the vows, if anyone present has any reason this couple should not be joined, speak now or forever hold your peace. No? Are you sure? I didn't think so.
Jamie, I vow to always take you. I vow to take you to the river during the summertime and to not always make you go to the desert in the wintertime. I vow to hold your hands when times get tough. I vow to roll up your shoulders when the stress comes.
Right. You become my partner in every way, the person who makes me laugh, who pushes me to grow, and who loves me up and down every mountain. And your sports teams, when you become a professional referee in our living room during football season.
I vow to show up because life is about showing up. Even if you have a flat tire in Moval and I'm on the golf course.
Okay.
A wise person once told me that you grow together or you grow apart. And I vow to always grow together.
Can't wait to spend forever living out this perfectly imperfect life.
Yeah.
I vow to love you, honor you, and cherish you until I take my last breath. I love you.
With this ring, I thee wed,
With this ring, I thee wed.
and I pledge my love now and forever.
And I pledge my love now and forever.
By the power invested in me by Google and the internet, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
So good that it almost hurts. Steady and true as a Bible verse. My
Craig and Jamie, may God bless your life with faith, and may your lives together be as fun and emotional as they are today. I love you guys.
Jamie and Craig on their family. Gladly, I think it's very well known that we appreciate having a little sister in Jamie now to love and golf with forever. But more importantly, thank you for letting him golf with us still.
I've been black and blue on my way to you. All the stars I've seen, all the songs I've sung, all the beers I've drank, all the damage done.
I just can't say how much I've loved watching you and Jamie. I just absolutely adore you, and I'm so thankful, just so blessed to have you guys, back and to see you guys living such a beautiful life. The introduction you made with your family was amazing, such a treasure to see you. But I just wanted to recognize that because if you've worked with Craig, he's hard. You know who he can be or who he was, but deep down, this is who he truly is, and I absolutely love seeing it. So congratulations. Cheers, Steve.
Mom, I just want to say that I love you. Thanks for always being by a family's side and helping everybody out. And Craig, special shout out to you. Not your blood, but you make it feel that way. And I just want to say thank you for that. And you're the man. And I hope you guys have the best marriage ever. And that's all before I start crying. So, all right.
I'm so happy for you guys, and I love you guys, and Aunt Jamie, I love you so much. You have been there, and you will always be there, and I hope you guys the best, and I love you guys so much.
Stacking up them empty cans, nitty gritty band in the dark fishing. A bunch of going on till the crack of dawn, and I ain't gon' miss it. Something good always happens after midnight. Getting loud a little later just hits nice. Whoever said it doesn't must have never done it right. Yeah, something good always happens after midnight. Yeah, it happens after midnight. Something good always happens. It don't matter what they say. The best part is getting started at the end of the day. Something good always happens after midnight. Running around with the round hair out of time. Yeah, something good always happens after midnight. Getting out a little later just hits nice. Whoever said it doesn't must have never done it right. Yeah, something good always happens.
Who do you want by your side for the rest of your adventures? And the answer is, yeah.